all words with OUGH and how to say them. English in color. So let's start with a review of the color sounds. We have A, E, I, O, U, OI, OW, And an S like this is voiced like a Z. Z, like the word sounds. So here are all the OUGH words. And with color, you can pause here and try to read them yourself before we take a closer look. Okay, let's take a closer look. OUGH as O. O. So the common words. Dough, though, although, burrow, donut, also spelled donut, and thorough. And the uncommon or outdated words, brougham, furlough, and Yarborough. Next, we have OUGH as ah. The common words, thought, bought, fought, sought, brought, and ought. And the less common words that are still used, and good to know, rot and not. Next, OUGH as ow. The common ones, drought, plow, and bow. Uncommon or outdated, doubt, dowdy, sow, and clow. And OUGH as uff. Common words, rough, roughage, enough, tough. Uncommon, shuff, suff. Next, OUGH as off. Only two, cough and trough. OUGH as ooh. One common, through, and one uncommon, slew. Next, OUGH as up. There's only one, hiccup, also now spelled with a P, hiccup. And the last one, OUGH as awk. This is very uncommon, lock, usually spelled with a CH, lock, as in Lake Loch Ness in Scotland, with the Loch Ness Monster. So here are all the words again for you to review. That's all for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and if you have any ideas for a new video, let me know in the comments. See you next time. Ooh, subscriber.